Alright, so this is the left side. I had 997 miles when I took it out. This is bored 20 over. So I could bore it again someday if I needed to, which I won't. So everything's clean, you see, just as I described earlier. Heads. Just a little carbon. I was running 76 main jets because I was breaking it in. I wanted to rather have it fat. Usually you run a 72 main jet. Alright, so I'm rotating the engine. I'm getting some oil up here. I'm not getting oil up to the top up there yet. I find minute amount of oil on the cylinder wall, just like I expect to. Alright, good news. I do have oil coming up to the top now. Well, I'm going to tell you, before I put this on ice, I only drove it once or twice a year. So, I would always do this before I drove it. And what I would do is drain the oil out, even though it only had 100 or 200 miles on it. And then I'd just put it in the car and put new oil in this. That way I could look at the oil. And I was using Kendall. This, what's in here now is Kendall synthetic. So I did have to rotate the engine by hand and keep spinning that thing, and I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes for sure. Rotating the engine about, I don't know, 15 to 30 degrees at a time. Now we put on the intake manifold.